So why?
Hamas,
So why are you killing innocent civilians?
Rockets on us.
So why are you killing innocent civilians?
Do you think they're innocent? They kidnapped people from that party in the 7th of October. So don't fucking play dumb.
Five-year-olds went into Gaza went into.
I'm not talking about them.
Half of the 20,000 are the average age is 5. Half of them are kids.
All right, wait. When did you get that? When did you?
I've been saying this from the Euromed Human Rights Monitor.
Oh, sure, dude. All right.
The UN.
The UN.
Yeah.
So you look at the UN, and then that's your thing, and that's your opinion.
They're the ones that gave you the land, right?
You don't know how to do research.
You don't know how to do research. Did you not just tell me earlier that you don't do any research?
I did not do research, but if that's your research,
dude, you didn't do research. You just admitted to it. But you killed 20,000 civilians in Gaza. Half of them are kids.
Civilians.
Half of them are kids as well. Yes, none of them are Hamas. The 20,000, none of them are Hamas.
None of them are Hamas?
Zero are Hamas from the 20,000.
Where we are bombing hospital, we are telling them to go because we are going to bomb there. We're telling them.
Oh, and if they don't leave in time, they're going to get bombed and die. What kind of justification is that? That is the definition of displacing them.
Bro, if you're going to bomb hospital, we're going to tell us that we are going to bomb this hospital and they need to move. We are doing that, I don't think you understand. They're sending rockets on us, right? Trying to kill us. They can't because we have a really, really nice technology, my friend. They're sending rockets on us, right?
But you're safe. But you're safe.
Of course, if they're sending rockets on us, we send back, my friend. We're not gonna sit. They're sending rockets on us. All right, let's give them a hug. No.
Okay.
We're gonna explode them too. What do you think is gonna happen?
Who are you gonna explode?
Give them a hug.
Who are you gonna explode? Hamas.
Yes.